So I'm poking around with the Autel Auto Dynamic Follow mode, and I'm purposely trying to drive it straight into a tree. And it recognizes the tree even when it's on the side, no problem. So I am holding the controller and my phone, but I'm not actually touching any of the controls. It's all done automatically by the dynamic tracking mode. Has no problem dodging trees. And I just have it on auto mode, and I just drive in wherever I want. Ducks under that limb, ducks under that limb, keeps me in frame. Also keeps me in focus, which is kind of cool. I'm going to drive straight towards the sun, see if it gets confused with that bright sunlight. Nope, dodges that tree, no problem, dodges that tree, no problem. This thing is a beast. And it's still keeping me in frame even when I cut a hard left. More trees to dodge, dips underneath. The exposure is off here because I had it set to auto when I redid the firmware. Look at it duck under this thing. Redid the firmware, it just reset all my settings, so I forgot to put it on manual so I can adjust it. But it's just a test. And it dodges that thing. No big deal. Keeps me in focus too, which is pretty nuts. There's a bunch of trees over here. I'm going to see how I can handle these obstacles. So I'm going to slalom through these puppies. Right here, where I pull a hard left and it almost runs into the tree, it loses track of me. But what it does is just hangs out and waits for some additional commands from the controller, in which case I just drop and drag, highlight myself again, and it figures out, oh, that's what I'm supposed to be following. And even if I drive straight towards the drone, this is how it responds. No big deal. It backs up, moves out of the way, and dances around that tree branch. Keeps me in frame, hustles to catch up, and keeps it in the center. Again, I'm totally impressed by how it is handling this. Thought I would give it another quick test by running underneath this tarp and between the pole. It has no problem. It responds accordingly, ducks under, dodges that, aims. I fall off the board. It waits for me to jump back on. No big deal. Hops on. No problem with the tilting or the panning. And tree branch, no big deal. Let's dodge that tree branch too, and we're on our way. I am totally excited. This is very impressive. Can't wait to try it tomorrow. If you want to see some more videos and some more in-depth trials of how the Autel drone operates, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment on what you'd like to see. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.